Hi everyone, my name is Christine and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make crispy honey fried chicken. This is a very simple recipe that I'm sure every one of you will like. So to start off, for this recipe, you will need at least 9 chicken drumsticks. What I did, I chopped each drumstick into 2 bite pieces. And to make the chicken much tastier, tender, and moist, I made a brine. This brine consists of 3 cups of water and 3 teaspoons of fine salt. Then I soaked the chicken pieces in this mixture for about an hour. After an hour, I drained all the salt water, and then you don't have to worry about rinsing your chicken with fresh water. You don't have to do that. The next step is I coated the chicken pieces with a mixture of cornstarch and potato starch. So what I did, I placed all the chicken pieces in one Ziploc, and then I added in the cornstarch and potato starch mixture, and then that's where I started to coat them evenly. In doing this method, you will be able to avoid any mess. So the next step is for you to fry your chicken. So in this recipe, I use canola oil for frying. I fried all the chicken pieces until they are golden brown. So we will be using the same oil and the same pan. We will need to refry all our chicken. The reason for this is this method will make all our chicken pieces much crispier. So after you have fried and refried all your chicken, the next step is for us to make our honey mixture. So the first step is for us to saute our garlic. You will be using the same pan, but all you have to do is just remove the excess oil. So we started off by adding our dark soy sauce and then rice vinegar, and then the next step will be to add in the black ground pepper. So to make the mixture a little bit thick, I added in dissolved cornstarch. I'm using this raw honey. It is actually one of my leftovers. You can use any type of honey that you want. There are a lot of that in the market today. So, but this kind of honey is actually premier as compared to other honey that you may find in stores. So simmer this mixture until this one thickens to this consistency, and then that's where you will add all your fried chicken. Just make sure that all chicken pieces are coated with this mixture. So this may be optional, but you can garnish your fried chicken with some chopped spring onion, and then you can also add in some roasted sesame seeds. So there you have it, crispy honey fried chicken. Thanks for watching. Until next time.